9 forbidden places in the world. Why you cannot visit these places. The less you know, the more you want it. That saying is so true. Given the evolution of technology, we can know anything and everything in the click of a button. Still, in times like these, we may wonder what are the parts of the world are forbidden places in the world. As to why these places are forbidden, and unravel the mysteries that mankind is yet to understand. Number 1. Lascaux Caves, France. This cave in France is a treasured gem for archaeologists all over the world. The cave system holds prehistoric paintings that date way back to at least 17,300 years ago. The set of Paleolithic paintings that seems hauntingly striking hangs over the wall. These paintings have animals such as cattle, stags, bison, and much more on it. Unfortunately, the cave is sealed to the common public following 1963, because archaeologists concluded that human proximity might ruin the ancient work of art. Number 2. North Sentinel Island, India. The North Sentinel Island, which is part of the Andaman chain, is one of the forbidden places in the world. It is where the Sentinelese tribe resides. The people occupying the island usually resolve to violence to keep their isolation ongoing. The Sentinelese tribe have existed on the island for more than 50,000 years, as per the protection given by the Indian government. This island is strictly forbidden for any visitor of any kind. This is also due to the fact that it is one of the most dangerous and forbidden places in the world. Number 3. Surtsey Island, Iceland. Surtsey is a small island situated in an archipelago on the south coast of Iceland. It was created as a consequence of a volcanic explosion that continued for 4 years. Surtsey is also known globally for being the newest island on the globe. Right now, it only allows a few scientists and geologists to enter the premises. This forbidden place in the world is totally banned to grant entry for tourists. This is because it is supposed that human intrusion will upset the ecological sequence that is ongoing in the island currently. Number 4. Ai's Grand Shrine, Japan. Japan is known worldwide for its shrine culture and has nearly 80,000 shrines in total. The most prominent of all is the Ai's Grand Shrine. It is one of the most expensive temples in Japan, crediting to its architectural magnificence. To keep the Shinto traditions which go back to the 8th century, this temple is reconstructed once in 20 years. This is why the temple is so expensive. Only members of the royal family are granted access to this prestigious ancient representation sacred to the Japanese. Number 5. North Brother Island, United States of America. North Brother Island is one of the most famous deserted islands in the United States of America. It is located in New York City. It was formerly built as a quarantine hospital. It was where Typhoid Mary was housed. She was given this name as she was recognized as the first American to catch the deadly typhoid fever. Following this establishment became a rehab center for drug addicts. Presently, North Brother Island acts as a bird sanctuary and is shut down forever to the public people. Number 6. Dolce Base, United States of America. Dulce is a quiet little town located close to the Colorado River in New Mexico. This hushed little town acts as an underground lab where questionable experiments are conducted. It holds a small population of 2,600 Native Americans. It is said that the Dolce Base is a huge unknown compound. It is home to some astonishingly superior technologies and human-animal crossbreeds. This base has extremely strict security forces, hence, it is known as one of the highest forbidden places in the world, and not only in the States. Number 7. Tomb of Qizhi Huang, China. The mausoleum of China's first emperor, Qin Huang, is hidden deep under a pyramid for more than 2,000 years. The tomb is one of the biggest discoveries in the history of China, but still is a puzzle for historians and archaeologists. The insides of the tomb are mostly locked and left undiscovered. It is believed that the burial site has been left with numerous things that Qizhi Huang would require for himself in the afterlife. To give respect to the old site, the Chinese government decided to ban any excavation of the tomb. Hence, it is one of the most forbidden places in the world to hold respect for the late king. Number 8. Doomsday Vault, Norway. The Doomsday Vault is a seed bank located in the middle of the Arctic Svalbard archipelago. This is a protected vault that conserves a diversity of plant seeds. It is an effort to keep safe the seeds in the event of an apocalypse or worldwide emergency. From every little corner all around the world, big boxes of seeds are delivered to the Doomsday Vault for storing them long term. The vault doesn't allow any public, but it does allow entry to special guests only on certain days. Number 9. Snake Island, Brazil. As per the name, Snake Island is an island in Brazil, packed with thousands of poisonous snakes. No humans even dare to risk their lives stepping on Snake Island. So much so, and it even got the reputation as the most forbidden place in the world, not only in Brazil. Moreover, it is so deadly that the government has announced that it is prohibited by law to step onto the island. It is calculated that there are nearly 4,000 golden lanceheads crawling around on the island. These are the most poisonous serpents known on Earth. Thank you for spending time with us. We hope you enjoyed the video. Do let us know about your thoughts. Before going, make sure to like and subscribe so that you never miss another video. Until then, goodbye.